Thinking about buying a 4K projector? Stop right there. Not every projector that claims to be 4K delivers the experience you're expecting. Some are overpriced, while others offer incredible value for the money. To help you avoid wasting your money, I compared today's top models and picked the 5 best 4K projectors for movies, gaming, and home theater. Let's jump right in. Top 5. TOPTRO A2. Smart 4K projector with Vita OS, Dolby Audio, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth. We're kicking off the list with a projector that feels less like a projector and more like a complete smart home theater. The biggest highlight is its built-in Vita Smart OS. Unlike many projectors that require an external streaming stick, this one gives you instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and over 1,000 live TV channels right out of the box. Picture quality is another major strength. It supports 4K decoding, features native 1080p Full HD resolution, HDR10, and delivers 650 ISO ANSI brightness for sharp details, vibrant colors, and impressive contrast. Whether you're watching movies, sports, or playing games, the image stays bright and immersive. Sound is equally impressive. With 36 watts Dolby audio speakers, you get rich bass, clear vocals, and room-filling sound without needing an external speaker. And thanks to two-way Bluetooth 5.2, you can also connect headphones, soundbars, or even stream music directly to the projector. Setup couldn't be easier. It features AI autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto screen alignment, and auto obstacle avoidance. So the projector automatically creates a perfectly aligned image within seconds. Another standout feature is its 1.0 to 1 ultra-short throw ratio and 200-degree rotating stand, allowing you to project a massive screen even in smaller rooms or onto the ceiling for a more comfortable viewing experience. If you're looking for a premium smart projector packed with powerful features and effortless setup, this is an outstanding way to start our countdown. Top 4. TOPTRO X9 Pro Smart 4K Projector with Wi-Fi 6, Dolby Audio, and AI autofocus. Coming in at number 4 is a projector built for people who want a premium home theater experience without the hassle of extra devices. One of its biggest highlights is the Vita Smart OS, giving you instant access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and over 1,000 live TV channels. Everything is built in, so you can start streaming your favorite content right away without connecting a separate TV stick. Picture quality is where this projector really stands out. It supports 4K decoding, features native 1080p Full HD resolution, HDR10, and delivers a powerful 920 ISO ANSI brightness. The result is a bright, colorful image with excellent detail, making movies, sports, and games look impressive even when the room isn't completely dark. Audio is another major advantage. With 40 watts of Dolby Audio, you get deep bass, clear dialogue, and room-filling sound that creates a true cinema-like experience. And if you prefer an external sound system, Bluetooth 5.4 and HDMI ARC make connecting speakers or a soundbar quick and easy. Setup is almost effortless, thanks to AI autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto screen fit, and obstacle avoidance. The projector automatically adjusts the image within seconds, so you spend less time setting up and more time enjoying your content. It also supports AirPlay 2, Apple HomeKit, Wi-Fi 6, and voice control, making it incredibly convenient to stream content from your phone, tablet, laptop, or gaming console. If you're looking for a projector that combines excellent brightness, premium audio, smart features, and an effortless user experience, the TOPTRO X9 Pro is a fantastic choice and easily earns the number 4 spot on our list. Top 3. Sony VPL-XW5000ES Native 4K HDR Laser Home Theater Projector. Taking the number 3 spot is a projector that's built for serious home theater enthusiasts. The biggest reason this projector stands out is its true native 4K SXRD panel. Unlike many projectors that simply support 4K decoding, this one delivers a genuine 3840 by 2160 resolution, producing incredibly sharp details, lifelike textures, and stunning clarity on every scene. Brightness is equally impressive. With 2,000 laser-powered lumens, It delivers vibrant, colorful images that remain bright even on large screens, making movies and live sports look immersive in a variety of lighting conditions. Sony also includes its powerful X1 Ultimate processor, bringing advanced image processing that enhances contrast, sharpness, and motion. Fast-moving action scenes feel smoother, while darker scenes reveal more detail without losing depth. Color performance is another major highlight. Thanks to Triluminos Pro and a 95% DCI P3 wide color gamut, this projector reproduces over 1 billion natural colors, creating rich, realistic visuals that truly feel cinematic. Another huge advantage is the long-lasting laser light source, designed to provide up to 20,000 hours of consistent performance with virtually no maintenance, so you can enjoy years of reliable entertainment. If you're looking for premium picture quality and a true home theater experience, the Sony VPL-XW5000ES is easily one of the best high-end projectors available, making it a deserving choice for the number 3 spot on our list. Top 2. XGIMI Horizon Pro True 4K Smart Projector with Harman Kardon speakers. Taking the number 2 spot is a projector that has earned a strong reputation among home theater fans for combining true 4K picture quality with smart features and premium sound. The biggest highlight is its true 4K resolution, powered by 8.3 million pixels. Every movie, TV show, and game looks incredibly sharp, detailed, and lifelike, making every scene feel more immersive. It also delivers an impressive 1500 ISO lumens, producing bright, vibrant images with excellent color accuracy. Combined with HDR10 and the advanced XView 2.0 image engine, you get deeper contrast, richer colors, and smoother motion, even during fast-paced action scenes. Audio is another area where this projector shines. The dual 8-watt Harman Kardon speakers produce clear vocals, powerful bass, and room-filling sound, giving you an impressive entertainment experience without needing external speakers. Setup is quick and effortless, thanks to intelligent screen adaptation. With autofocus, auto keystone correction, auto screen alignment, and obstacle avoidance, the projector automatically adjusts the image in seconds, so you can start watching almost immediately. Running on Android TV 10, it gives you access to thousands of apps through Google Play, supports Chromecast built-in, and even includes Google Assistant for convenient voice control, making everyday use simple and enjoyable. If you're looking for one of the most complete smart projectors with true 4K resolution, premium audio, and effortless setup, the XGIMI Horizon Pro is an outstanding choice and easily deserves the number 2 spot on our list. Top 1. Hisense M2 Pro Triple Laser 4K Smart Projector. And finally, taking the number 1 spot is a projector that delivers the perfect combination of stunning picture quality, premium features, and an incredible home theater experience. The biggest reason it tops our list is its triple laser projection technology. Unlike traditional projectors, it produces brighter, more vibrant colors with exceptional accuracy, making every movie, game, and TV show look incredibly realistic. It features true 4K UHD resolution with AI 4K upscaling, so even lower resolution content is enhanced with sharper details and improved clarity. Combined with 1300 ANSI lumens and Dolby Vision, you get outstanding brightness, rich contrast, and cinematic visuals, whether you're watching during the day or at night. Flexibility is another major advantage. It supports screen sizes from 65 to 200 inches, while the built-in 360-degree horizontal and 135-degree vertical gimbal lets you project onto a wall, ceiling, or almost any surface without complicated positioning. Setup is almost completely automatic. With autofocus, auto keystone correction, and auto obstacle avoidance, the projector intelligently adjusts the image in seconds, giving you a perfectly aligned picture with virtually no manual effort. It also runs on Vita Smart OS with Netflix built in, giving you quick access to your favorite streaming apps without needing an extra streaming device. Multiple connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, HDMI, and USB, make it easy to connect everything from gaming consoles to laptops. If you're looking for one projector that delivers outstanding picture quality, premium smart features, effortless setup, and incredible versatility, the Hisense M2 Pro is the one I'd recommend above all the others. It offers the best overall balance of performance, image quality, and everyday usability, making it the strongest choice on this list. That's exactly why the Hisense M2 Pro takes the #1 spot on our countdown. So, those are the 5 best 4K projectors you can buy right now. No matter your budget or setup, there's a great option on this list. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which projector is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.